transition of the life stage of a person from youth to a young adult. Let us all celebrate as our debutante become a full-bloomed lady as she turns 18. You see her grow up, you see her smile, you see her laugh, you see her in everything, and now you're about to see as a grown-up lady. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you the Gabral Andrade family. Let's begin with Miss Ishi Eunice Andrade, the youngest sister. Next, we have Gian Carlos Andrade, the youngest brother. And of course, the very proud parent, Mrs. Caroline Andrade. In a land not so far away, there was once a little girl with the beauty of a princess, born on December 20, 2006. This girl is the eldest daughter among the children of the late Mr. Gilbert Andrade and Miss Caroline Andrade. She is known as Pia or Ami P in her message account. Her hobbies are writing lyrics, uploading videos, and reading books. After finishing her grade school in Our Lady of Peace School, she is now senior high school studying at National University East Rizal. This girl grew up with so much love and kindness. She is loved by everybody for her beauty inside and out. Her voice is an angel. Her smile bears no limit. She's ready for any adventure for the sake of fun and friendship. More refined than shy, more charismatic than charming, more alluring than beautiful. Indeed, she has all grown up and what a sight she has become. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to introduce to you the debutante. Let us all stand and welcome our dazzling lady of the night, Miss Sophia Margaret Gabral Andrade. Before we start our program, may we request everyone to please stand for an opening prayer to be led by Tito Romel Melot Gabral.
Hello. Manalangin tayo. Panginoon namin Diyos, banal ka po at makapangyarihan sa lahat. Maraming salamat po. Muli ay inipon kami sa platform ito para i-celebrate namin ang kaarawan ng Sophia Andrade. Kawasan na rin naman ang magandang pagkakataon ito pagkakumpay sa aming mga pagsasalo, Ama, para patunghayan po ang celebran na ito na maging mabiyaya, magandang kapalaran sa kanyang buhay, pati na rin sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. Ama, samahan mo kami sa aming gagawing pagtitipong ito, naway pagtanong mo masaganang biyaya, maging sa mga taong tumalo ngayon, mga kapatid, mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan, at sana'y laging sa aming basbasan, Ama, na magkaroon pa ng panibagong lakas, lalo-lalo na po ang celebrant mo ng ito. Sumasampalataya po kami ang iyong basbas. Pala ginawad po kami sa pangalan ni Jesus na aming Diyos.
Amen. Thank you. And now, please be seated. And now, at this moment, may I call on stage her mom for her welcome address. Let's give her a big round of applause.
nagpapasalamat po ako una sa lahat sa Diyos. Ano ba yan? Naiiyak na ako. Thank you, Lord. Napakabuti ng Diyos sa amin lahat, sa ating lahat. Alam niyo naman, paano sa kabila? Andito na kami ngayon. Piniscelebrate namin yung aking panganay na anak na magdedebut na siya. Salamat po sa inyo lahat dahil kayo din po yung mga tao na tumutulong sa amin. Yung mga panahon na down po kami, yung mga advice niyo po. Salamat po dahil hindi lang naman puro, di ba, lungkot. Ito naman isang malaking kasayahan na sinishare po namin sa inyo na ito pong panganay kong anak, si Sofia Margaret Andrade, ay mag-birthday niya. Actually, birthday niya po talaga ngayong araw na to. So, sit back and relax lang po kayo. Mag-enjoy po kayo. Wala po akong script kasi lahat naman po tayo. Kilala ko po kayong lahat. At mag-enjoy lang po tayong lahat. Salamat po. Part po kasi ng pagpapakilala ko kay Sofia, meron po kami pinipare na video po sa kanya. Sana po dito po sa pamamagitan ng flashback na to, makilala niyo po kung sino siya. Kasi sa ngayon po, si Sofia, tahimik po talaga siyang bata. Pero nung pina-flashback namin yung mga pictures and videos niya, para naisip namin na merong insight sa kanya. So, sana makita niyo po dito sa video na to. Pwede po.
Sa gitna.
When I'm awfully low, when the world is cold,
The Proud Lolo.
I will feel a glow. Just
Next, Tito Francis Urbina.
in the way you look tonight. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words,
Next, Kuya Vince Gabral.
in other words, baby, kiss me. She's got a smile that seems to me reminds me of a child. Everything is expressed like the sky. And then when I see her face, she takes me away to a special place.
Next will be Harold Gabral. Next, Tijin Andrade.
Hindi ko naman.
Andrade.
We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do all day.
Christian Andrade. Derek Lakdayen.
Hindi siya marunong.
Can't take my eyes off you. You feel like heaven. Oh, I wanna know you so. And now let's go back to right. And I think I'll be right. Just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Sakto lang ata.
Rom Arion Peñano.
Ayun po. Wala. Oh, dalandan. Dalan. Ayun yan. Lapit ng tower.
Next, Zach Ihalo.
Oh, malis ka na doon. Ayaw mo. Ayos ka.
Zion Ihalo.
Okay lang. Kasi tayo.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night.
Franco Silvaliana. Steven Brian Caparanga. Jairo Caparanga.
We were right till we were built a home, watched it. I didn't wanna leave, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but then remembered
Kendrick Macapagal.
so hot that I melted right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back before the cool down run out. I'm thinking like this and that.
Jonathan Flores. Kuya Gian Carlos Andrade.
When skies are gray, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take the sunshine.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the circle of important person in the life of our debutant. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. Tonight is definitely filled with bundle of surprises for us. Adding up to the list, here's a surprise presentation from the debutante herself, Sophia, and her younger brother, Gian. Let's give them a round of applause.
It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying your hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, and it's moving in your You're out of reach from me, but you're here in my heart. So who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were meant to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe
Thank you. Now we continue in our 18 shots and bills. Her not only financially, but in all aspects of life. To start, may we call on Mami Flora Andrade. Ninong Ray Andrade. Tita Resha Padilla. Ninang Francis Silvaliana. Ninang Elma Ballesteros. Ninong Nav Dabela. Mamita Meli Ihalo. Ninong Boy Neria. Tita Desiree Andrade. Ninong Bong Santiago. Dito po tayo sa center. Sir and Mom, sa center po tayo. Tita Connie Raka. Tito Ferdy Caparanga. Tita Gina Andrade. Mukhang malaki ang ano natin, bigayan na. Tito Dodoy Peñano. Tito Menot Cabral. Tita Joy Macapagal. Tito Jojo Gabral. And wait, there's more. Yung shots, yung class po,
May,
pakibigyan po yung
pakuha mo
mga
kayo kay Jinjin yung inyo kasi maubos na ako ng space. Di ba may extra battery yun? Nandun yan sa baba.
This significant chose people are also the members of the 18 shots or simply giving a toast of wine, which means a ritual which the wine of a drink is taken as an expression of honor or goodwill. Okay na po?
Halika nga muna. Malalobat na kasi to, tsaka maubos na rin yung space niya, parang 2 minutes na lang.
Okay.
Asan yung inyo?
Na?
Naka-ano?
Bakit di ba yung audio nun pag pinipin?
Kungarin.
Mr. Arturo Andrade.
Parang yung cellphone ni Papa. Kasi marami space pa yun pang record.
Okay. At dito siya. Tinawag niyo po siya. Tito Ray Andrade. May we call out Tito Ray Andrade. Wala. Okay. Okay na po. Dito po tayo para makita tayo sa ano. Tabi po tayo kay Sophia. Ayan. Raise po natin ang ating glass. And cheers to Sophia! Happy birthday! Kapay! Pwede humingi pa ng konti. Sige po. Cheers, everybody!
Sila.
Matamis daw, sabi dito.
Pwede mo yung mga...
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Ay, take pictures pa pala. I-ano na lang po yung face. Dikit-dikit be on stage. Light your candles and give a short message for the birthday girl. For the birthday girl. And let's start with Ishi Andrade. Ate Patricia Arcayos. Ay, message to me.
Hi, Ate Pia. Happy birthday. First of all, thank you tayo na nakalaki ka. At ano, ikaw yung nagsisuporta palagi sa akin ng balita mo. At alam ko palagi yung kami tinitignan. At naging masaya yung childhood nating dalawa. At ako, bilang kapatid mo, nandito lang ako para supportahan ka. At kung kailangan mo na ng tulong sa mga studies or kailangan mo lang ng help, nandito lang ako pag kailangan mo ng assistance. Huwag ka mahihiya sa amin magsabi ng mga gusto mo ilabas sa thoughts mo. At sana palagi ka maging masaya. At ano, kung meron na nga ako, sabihin mo sa amin. Pupuntahan namin yun. At ano, anyways, happy
Biglang
birthday,
bumae.
Ate Pia. Ano, long life. And sana maging masaya ka palagi sa buhay. At ang mga problema ay palagi nang naandyan. Mawawala din yan pag kasama mo kami.
Next, Ate Patricia Arcayos. Wala po. Ate Ira Capilla. Mga
Happy birthday, Pia. Welcome to adulthood. May it be filled with exciting opportunities, unforgettable memories, and happiness. Happy birthday.
Ate Andrea Ada Capilla.
Happy 18th birthday, Pia. Wish you all the best in life. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. And ate to ate, be a good influence sa mga nakababata sa'yo. And ngayong 18 ka na, pwede ka nang makulong. And pwede siguro, pwede magjowa. Pwede na daw. If yun, may problema ka, may gusto kang sabihin, nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. Chat mo lang.
Miss Akisha Basabas.
Ayan, Pia. Happy birthday, sis.
Atasha Adria. Miss Atasha Adria. Miss Catherine Fernandez.
message for you. Enjoy your special day and be more responsible of your action and never stop dreaming. Happy birthday.
Miss Catherine James Saavedra. Denise de la Cruz.
Happy 18th birthday, Pia. Happy legality. Wishing you a good health and joy and success in life. Happy birthday.
Ate Maika Andrade. Maika Andrade.
Hi, Pia. Happy birthday. Thank you for having me. Wish you all the best. Sana
Ingay ng
may
bunga.
bagay na gusto mo. Then, good luck lang sa school mo and make your mama proud. And alam naman natin na proud din sa iyo na yun lang. Happy birthday.
Ate Maika de la Cruz.
Hi, Pia. Happy 18th birthday and wish ko sa'yo isang ng pangarap ko. And huwag mo pakasaktin yung ulo ng mami mo and lolo at lola mo. And gawin mo lang lahat ng gusto mo. Maging masaya ka lang palagi.
Ate Ace Enciso.
Huwag kayo iiyak ha.
Bakit? Buong event lili dyan.
Cake. Cake represents the joy and sweetness of life, and blowing out the candles is seen as a way to make a wish for the upcoming year. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all sing a happy birthday song for the debutant.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Happy birthday, Pia. Well, I guess the food is now ready. May we call? May we call Mr. Romel Milot Cabral for gracing the food. Prayer. Mr. Boyner Boynerian. Ninong Boynerian.
Magdadasal na.
Table number 6. Table number 6.
Table number 6.
Guys, po kayo dito para sa isang freestyle. Ito naman po, table number 6 ay mga Andrade po sa side po ni Bongbong po. Vincent po ni Sophia. Ika and mga cousins. Oh. Okay, next. Pwede na po kayo pumila. At table number 8. 8. Ang table number 8 naman po, ito po yung nasa side ko naman po. Yung auntie ko po, yung Vincent ko, bali dito na ni Sophia, at ang kanyang pamilya po. Ayan. Kanyang mga anak. Kapal din po yung mga anak nila, lahi din po kami. Ay, sila po pala. Kahit di sila ng kapal, hindi lang mga andrade, mga ihalo din. So, ito mga ihalo po sila. Ang gaganda naman. At ang gagawa ko. Thank you po. Okay. Ang next naman na table ay 4.
Yehe.
Team A, hindi maganda. So, harap tayo dito. Dito na. Dito yung audience natin. Okay. Tapos na tayo sa game. Ready? Set. Go! Wala na. Oh, ang ganda pa naman ng team A. Yung team A.
Ay, timba, timba! Ay, bansalok na kami!
Galing. Galing nila mag-isip. Talagang pinag-isipan.
Isipan. Okay. Please call the nine.
Pila daw, pila, pila.
Pila ko kayo. Game na po. Sasabihin ko na po yung group yourself. Alam na? Basta, group yourself according to your age. Walang magdadayan ng age. According to your age.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Sa kanila, wala. Okay.
So, meron na tayong winner team.
Ante, may ano pa tayo? Second chance. Para sa
Best of 3.
best of three. Next question. Group yourselves according to the length of your hair.
10, 9,
Hair.
8, 7, 6, 5.
Length of your hair. Pahabahan.
Obviously, nandito ka sa dito. So, dapat nandito ka. Kaya na naman.
according to your height. Panalo po ang pagkulang. Meron po kayong promise. Next po, huwag kayo mawawalan ng pag-asa. Meron po tayong pa-raffle.
May raffle pa.
Raffle po. Pumunod po kami ng number. Here po. From number 1 to 100. Then, dun sa sinulat nyo kanina na pa-attendance, di ba po nagsulat kayo kanina? Pag napulot po yung number nyo, na nandun yung name nyo, may prize po tayo. Asan po yung list? Sana po yung mga list ng live attendance. Pupunod po tayo ng number for our third prize. Papupunutin po natin ang ating debitan. For our third prize,
Kala manalo ko.
From 1 to 100.
lucky number
Ano ba si Ate? Sabi mo ka lang sa amin na sana mabulit si Ate. Yeah,
number 18. Number 18 is Nina Lisa Ortega. Wala si Nina Lisa. Pupunod po tayo ulit.
30 to 40.
Chance to others. Lucky number 27.
Ay, 40.
Lucky number 27 is Ate Patricia Arcaros. Andito si Ate Patricia. Ay, lucky naman ni Ate.
You a little boo thing. So I don't give a hoot what you do, say girl, I know. You a little too tame. I can shoot that shot like 2K.
Next. For our second prize. For our second prize, unit po ulit.
Second prize.
Di tayo na.
Table number 3.
39 is
Kinakabahay na po kasi.
Derek Lakdayen.
Ay!
Congratulations.
Yung mga Starbucks. Ay, lang.
And for the grand prize,
Derek picture.
Is a house and lot.
house and lot. For our grand prize,
Baka ikaw ulit. Buksa mo. Baka ano yan, 300.
a basket that's full of groceries. Pang Noche Buena.
Ay, pero.
Bunot ulit. Our grand prize is number
50.
5. Lucky number 50. Danis de la Cruz. Danis de la Cruz. Congratulations. everyone. Let us give this moment to the proud parent of our debutant, Miss Carolyn Andrade, to give and share their message to their loving daughter. A warm round of applause, please.
Thank you po. So, nagpapasalamat po ulit ako dahil siyempre po una sa Diyos na nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na magkita-kita po dito para i-celebrate po yung 18th birthday ng aking pangalan natin na si Sofia Margaret. Ang message ko para kay Sofia, anak, wala kaming ibang hinihiling na siyempre na mapabuti ka. Dadating din yung panahon na mas magte-take responsibility ka, na mas magiging mature ka na para mag-decide kung ano yung para sa'yo. Alam ko naman na independent ka rin naman. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng guidance palagi, di ba? At saka, wag kang mahihiyang magtanong kung meron kang hindi na naiintindihan. Okay lang yon. Okay lang magkamali. Kasi lahat naman tayo pinanganak na hindi natin alam. Diba? So okay lang magtanong, saka okay lang magkamali para bumuti yung buhay natin. Diba? Dadating yung araw na makikita natin kung ano yung purpose natin kung bakit tayo nandito sa lupa. Diba? Gusto ko gumaling ka, wish ko na mapagaling ka yung nararamdaman mo dito sa left ear nga. Dadating din yung time na malalaman din natin na bakit, di ba? At saka sa awa ng Diyos, maraos natin yung araw-araw ng buhay natin. Ayun, tsaka basta huwag tayo mag-give up, be strong. Yan lang. Tsaka, andito kami, ayun, mga kapatid mo, family mo, at itong mga taong nakikita mo ngayon, andito lang kami para i-guide ka. Yun lang. Salamat po.
Thank you, Ma'am, for such a heartfelt message. As we end this program, the Gabriel Andrade family would like to thank all the people who made this celebration a success, from the planning to the execution, for the foods, the details of the party, and to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Without you, this event would not be made possible. It is indeed our pleasure to be part of this significant celebration. Today is not the end, but the beginning of a longer road to walk. We wish our debutant nothing but the best that life can offer. Happy birthday again, and for the guests, enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you so much.